Look at this shit. Look at that. I'm recording this shit. Check it out. Wow. Look how fucking cool that is. Ooh, pretty. Pretty motherfucker. Ooh, look at that shit. Lightning and shit, you know? I ain't gonna get electrocuted.
Yeah, if you have technology on you. If you have any technology or electricity or anything. It's that type of
Look at that shit. That's a sight to see right there, man. It's fucking beauty. That's beast.
Okay. See Ridge of the Sunset.
Wow! I'm getting a video of this shit. Lightning and shit. You know how fucking cold that is?
This is how I'm gonna start my week.
Lightning is fucking sweet. Look at that shit.
Different person next week. I'll be a lot more different person.
Beast mode. This motherfucker. Look at the lightning in that motherfucker. That is so fucking cool. It's like Thor and Odin. That's beast.
I didn't get
I
myself.
wanna damn, look at that.
Get myself a tan.
Wow, that's fucking badassity.